Hey there, it's Brandon from Seattle Organic SEO, and we're going to show you how to get to the keyword planner from Google. So basically, you want to go to Google Ads from any search engine, and typically Google's website will come up first organically, and sometimes they do some paid. So anyway, click through to Google Ads. Once you get here to their homepage, you'll probably not be in a logged in status, but if you are, sometimes it will directly go in. But sign in if you can and grab your account that perhaps you want to log in with. And once you do that, you literally go into the account and then Google Ads should show up. So once you come here, it'll be a little different for you. This is one of my master accounts for our clients, but I'll click into an account that's actually inactive right now, just to kind of give you a perspective, especially if you haven't been using it lately. But once you get into the Google Ads interface, you'll want to just click on Tools and Settings, and from here in the drop-down menu, you can see Keyword Planner, Reach Planner, and Ad Preview and Diagnosis. Just click on the Keyword Planner, and then the interface for Keyword Planner should show up. And so here you want to discover basically new keywords. If not, you can actually figure out some volume numbers from here. But overall, this is where you typically start with some seed keywords, and you can even find out some details for a website in terms of what Google thinks you are. So that is the quick and handy guide to getting to Keyword Planner from Google Ads.